Hey guys, I just got my TWM fuel cap in. I'm gonna go over the install real quick, give a review on what I think so far and why I chose the TWM over the Halo and the Vortex fuel cap and the cheap ones found on eBay and Amazon, the no-name brands or the off-brand name ones. All right, so I'm just gonna show you the TWM, and I saw this on our YouTube video, someone installing it, and I actually liked the way it looked, and for the price, it's around $100, $109 off Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description. That I like the way it looks. I think it's a good compromise between the Halo and the Vortex. It's push to twist. It's got some color to it. It kind of matches the rest of my bike where I've added some red to it, and I finally getting around to putting it in. I've already have a keyless ignition, so I don't need the key, but I kept it there where I wouldn't have to search for it when I needed to add fuel. But I'm just going to show you, like I said, this is the TWM. I did weigh the difference. I've already had that one off. It's a ½ pound difference in weight. I mean, I'm saving a ½ pound. Of course, I say that knowing that I'm way overweight, or it's like I'm the biggest. I had the most weight to the bike. I know I need to get some weight off. But anyway, yeah, it is a ½ pound savings for those that care. This is the Vortex. Just as a comparison, I believe this is threaded. I haven't had one, but I believe this is threaded, and it does have the locking tab, where this one is just push and twist and it locks in. You can see that here. I mean, so I like the TWM so far, and I'm going to show you the Halo. And actually, I do like the look of the Halo better, I think. I mean, or just as good, but it's expensive. You have to buy the base and the cap separate, and it's almost $200, I think. Maybe $150 now. So once, I don't know what it is, but driven, to me, it's like it looks nice. I just will not pay that for a fuel cap. That's just my opinion. But if you haven't ever mounted these, they're actually pretty easy to take off. One thing I want to point out, there's only 3 screws that hold it in. You need a size 4 for the factory and a size 3 for TWM. I've already put the blanks off, but one thing I want to point out also is that this only is held on by 3 bolts. So I'm not sure why the other 2 are there. I've never been able to figure it out. I don't know a good reason why it's there, but yeah, so it's only held on 3 bolts. I'm going to get the Halo over here, put it on. One thing that's important to include is actually this vent hose. And the instructions tell you that essentially to keep the factory venting, you want to put it through the hole there. When I install it, I'm going to make sure that I get that lined up. This is just to show you, and it comes with a new gasket to seal the lid. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about getting it on here. I think it actually will add some looks to it, and hopefully one day I'll get around to putting my tank cover on and be just about done with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started getting this mounted. We'll see how this turns out and show you when it's done. All right, guys, so I got a little bit ahead of myself. I tried to mount it and I was messing around with it, and then I realized that I forgot to put the screws in first with the spacers. And one thing I want to point out is, if you can see, there's like, they include O-rings for all these to seal. And the nice thing about the O-ring is it actually helps hold that on as I'm playing with it, trying to get it to mount. I'm also going to add blue Loctite to the bolts to hold it in. One thing I don't want is it coming loose while I'm riding on the track. Blue Loctite isn't heat the brake, it just helps keep it from loosening up. So I'm going to try this again and get this mounted after I add the Loctite. All right, there it is mounted. So put it in, just push and turn. Actually, I think for the money, this is probably the best fuel cap out there on the market right now, especially if you want to add a little bit of color to it. This is recessed where it fits even to it, and it's as simple as push and turn. Yeah, I like it a lot. All right, so if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of TWM fuel cap or fuel tank. Yeah, cap, gas cap. And maybe you want one. All right, talk to you later.